Stay tuned for today's quick bike video on how to decorate these bud vases. So I'm going to be using these rub-on transfer sheets that I got from the Dollar Tree to decorate these bud vases that I got from that little section in the front of Target as soon as you walk in the door. I thought that this would be a really cute quick bite video for you guys as a simple way to decorate a vase that is really plain and be able to jazz it up to make it look elegant. So I'm simply going through picking out the different rub-on transfers that I really like and that I think would look good on these vases and cutting out each one so that I'll have them ready to apply. The application process for these rub-on transfers are extremely simple. You simply cut out the ones that you want to use and place them on the vase and rub until the transfer applies to the vase. Now this process can be a little tricky just because you want to make sure that you apply even pressure while you're rubbing so that the sticker will go ahead and transfer seamlessly. This did not happen for me, but I actually like the brokenness of the transfer. I think it adds more character. And here are the finished bud vases. Like I said, I don't mind that some of the words are broken up or some of the transfers are broken up. I actually really like that aspect of it, and I think that these came out really nicely. They have a little bit of a classic look to me with the black and the white contrast, and I just really think it's a cute quick bite video and a good way to decorate a simple little bud vase. I have no clue what I'm going to actually be putting in these bud vases, but at least they are decorated and ready. You can also go ahead and apply a light coat of Mod Podge just to secure your transfers on your vases. Thanks for joining me for today's quick bite video. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.